In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give permission in Asana. We'll walk through how to adjust a teammate's access on a specific project so they can either edit, comment, or just view, depending on what you need. This is perfect when someone joins a project, changes roles, or only needs limited access for review. Start by heading to Asana in your browser and opening the login page. On the sign-in screen, choose Continue with Google. This uses your organization's single sign-on, which keeps things secure and gets you into your workspace quickly. When prompted, select the Google account you use for work. If your company has additional verification, just complete that as usual. Once you're in, you'll land on your Asana home or recent projects view. Next, open the project where you want to manage access. If you don't see it right away, use the search bar or navigate from your sidebar to the correct team and project. Inside the project, look toward the top right and click the Share button. This opens the project's sharing panel, which shows current members, their roles, and who has access via links or teams. In the sharing panel, find the person whose access you want to change. You can scroll through the list or use the search field to quickly locate them. This is especially handy in larger workspaces with lots of collaborators. To change their access, use the drop-down menu next to their name and select the permission you want to assign. Typically, you'll see options like the ability to edit or to comment only. Editing access lets the person create and modify tasks, update fields, and reorganize the project. Comment-only access keeps the project structure safe while still allowing them to leave feedback, attach files, or ask questions. Choose the least amount of access they need to do their job. This keeps your project tidy and reduces the chance of accidental changes. As soon as you make your selection, Asana saves it automatically, and the change takes effect right away. The person will see their new access level the next time they open the project, and in many cases, they'll be notified about the update. You can close the sharing panel when you're done. A quick note, these permissions apply to the whole project. Tasks that are private or restricted by other settings won't be exposed beyond what the project allows, but in general, the permission you chose will guide what that person can do across all tasks and sections here. That's all there is to it. Log in, open your project, click Share, find the member, and set the right permission. Thanks for watching and happy organizing in Asana.